Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Now the next topic is sample space. The set of all possible outcomes of a random experiment is called the sample space. It is denoted by S or omega. Each element of sample space is called a sample point. The number of elements in the set S is denoted by n of S. Next one, if n of S is finite, then the sample space is said to be a finite sample space. Now look at the examples here. If one coin is tossed, then we know that if one coin is tossed, then either we get here tail or we get here head. Therefore write down here H T. Therefore n of S is equal to 2. Now next one, two coins are tossed. Now here two coins, we get either head or tail, or we get here head head, or tail head, or tail tail. Now write down here both are head. Now first one is head and the second tail. Both are tail. Now first one is tail and the next one is head. Number of sample points here are 4. Therefore n of S is equal to 4. Now the next one, 3 coins are tossed. Now look at here. If these 3 coins are tossed, we get here, look at this, H H H. First, second and third coin. Now if first one is head, second and third tail. If second one is head, then first and third tail. Now third one is head. Therefore first and second both are tail. T T T. Now first is tail, others are head. Now second is tail, others are head. Now third is tail and others are head. H H H H T T. Second H, others T. Third H, others T. T T T. First T, other H. Second number T, other H. Third is T and other H. Therefore n of S is equal to, now number of elements in the set S, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Therefore n of S is equal to 8. Now it can be understood by a tree diagram. If one coin is tossed, then we get here head and tail. It is for one coin. Now if two coins are tossed, then we get here HT, here also HT. Now look at this here. Now H H H H T. Here H H H T. Now next one, T H T T. T H T T. It is for two coins are tossed. Now if 3 coins are tossed, now we get here H T, here also H T and H T. Now the next one is H T. Now if one coin is tossed, then we get H T H T. If 2 coins are tossed, 1 2 3 4. Now H H H T H T H T H and T T T. Now if 3 coins are tossed, then 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Now first one. Now H H H. First one H H T. Next. Now the next one is H H T H. Look at here H T H. It is. Now next one H T T. H T T. Next one is here THH. Now we get here THH. Now the next one is T. THT. THT. Now the next is H. TTH. TTH. Now the last is T. TTT. Now in this way we get all 8 number of elements in the set S when 3 coins are tossed. Either you can remember by this one or you can draw a tree diagram. Now next example is a die is thrown. Now look at here, it is one of the die. We already know it. If a die is thrown, we get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now number of elements here are n of s is equal to 6. Now 2 dice are thrown. Now look at here, there are 2 dice. When we throw it, we get 2 numbers, first one and this one is for the second die. Now if we get here 1, now the second one contains either 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 or 6. 1 with 6 number. Now if we get here 2, 6 numbers. Now 3. Now next one is either 6 number. Now for 4 we get here 6 number. Now for 5 also we get here with 6 number. Now 6 we get here for 6 number. Therefore it can be written as, look at here, 1 1 1 2 1 3 1 4 1 5 1 6. Second one, second 2, 2 1 2 2 2 3 2 4 2 5 2 6, 3 1 3 2 3 3 3 4 3 5 and 3 6, 4 1 4 2 4 3 4 4 4 5 4 6, 5 1 5 2 5 3 5 4 5 5 5 6. Now the next one is 6 1 6 2 6 3 6 4 6 5 6 6. Now the total number of elements in the set S 36. 6 6 6 6 6 6. Now we get here 36. Now the next example is a card is thrown from a pack bearing numbers from 1 to 25. Therefore S is equal to 1 2 3 4 5 up to 25. Now the total number of elements here 25. Therefore we can write here n of S is equal to 25. Now the next example is a card is drawn from a well-shuffled pack of 52 playing cards. We know that 52 playing cards. Now number of elements 52. Therefore we can write here n of S is equal to 52. Now look at practice set 5.2. Now the first question is, for each of the following experiments, write sample space S and number of sample points n of S. First one is, coin and one die are thrown simultaneously. Now we know that when one coin is tossed, now the sample space S is equal to H and T. Therefore n of S here is 2 and one die. We know that a die is thrown or one die is thrown, then we get here S is equal to 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. Therefore n of S is equal to 6. But our aim is to find the sample space when one coin and one die are thrown simultaneously. Therefore, if a coin is tossed and a die is thrown simultaneously, the sample space is Now look at here, it is one die and one coin. If one coin and one die are thrown simultaneously, now we get here head and 1. Therefore we get here, we will get head with 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 numbers. Now the next one, other possibilities are there. Now we get here with tail 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Therefore write on here sample space S is equal to H with all numbers. Therefore H1, H2, H3, H4, H5 and H6, and tail with all outcomes T1, T2, T3, T4, T5 and T6. Therefore total number of elements here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Therefore we get here n of S is equal to 12. Next question is 2-digit numbers are formed using digits 2, 3 and 5 without repeating digits. Now digits are 2, 3 and 5. Therefore write down here sample space S is equal to, now starting from 2 to repeating a digit. Therefore next number is 2 with 3, 23, 2 with 5, 25. Now the next one is from 3 to 32. Now the next number is 33. Digits are repeat here, therefore next number is 35. Now next from 5 to next 5, 3. Now next one is 55. Here repeating digits, therefore 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Number of S is equal to 6. We get here n of S is equal to 6. Now next question is, the arrow is rotated and it stops randomly on the disc. Find out on which color it may stop. Now look at this here. Different colors are orange, red, purple, green, blue and yellow. And here it is one of the arrow. When it is rotated, it stops randomly either one of the color. Therefore write down here solution. There are 6 colors. On the disc. The arrow can stop on any of the colors. Therefore sample space is orange, red, purple, green, blue and yellow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 colors. 6 colors. Therefore, n of S is equal to 6. Next question is, in the month of March 2019, find the days on which the date is a multiple of 5. See the given page of the calendar. Now look at the calendar here. March 2019. Days Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Now find the days on which the date is a multiple of 5. Now look at here, 5. Multiple of 5 are 5, 10, 15, 20, 25 and 30. Now write down the solution here. multiples of 5 are dates 5, 10, 15, 20, 25 and 30. Therefore, the days on which the date is a multiple of 5. Therefore, days are 5 Tuesday, next 10 Sunday, next 15 Friday, next 20 Wednesday, next 25 Monday, and last one is 30 Saturday. Now we get here days are Tuesday, Sunday, Friday, Wednesday, Monday and Saturday. Therefore, n of s is equal to 6. Now, next question is, form a road safety committee of 2 from 2 boys B1, B2 and girls G1, G2. Complete the following activity to write the sample space. Now, first one is committee of 2 boys. Now, 2 boys are B1, B2. Therefore, B1 and B2. Next, committee of 2 girls G1, G2. Committee of 1 boy and 1 girl B1, G1. B1, G2. B2, G1. B2, G2. Here 1 boy and 1 girl. Now write on the sample space here. Two boys means B1, B2 and 2 girls are G1 and G2. Now form a committee of 2. Start from B1. Therefore, B1, B2. Now B1, G1. Next one B1, G2. Now start from B2. Now B2 with B1. It is already made. B1, B2. Now B2, G1. B2, G2. Now the next G1. G1, B1. Here we get G1, B1. Now G1, B2. We get here also G1, B2. Now next one is G1 with G2. G1 with G2. Therefore, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We get n of s is equal to 6. Allah Hafiz.